Welcome to my overview series, Work Smarter, Not Harder. If you use Photoshop filters but you don't use smart objects, let me show you why you should. Many people who use Photoshop filters just go to their image layer and apply a filter, and then maybe another filter, or even another filter, and if they like the result, they stop. But that means all of those filter changes are now baked into one flat image layer, kind of like a doormat. So to make changes, they start over. In Photoshop, you can see my original image and the image I applied filters to, and there's no way to modify any of those filter changes. But if I had right-clicked on my Dandelion copy and made it into a smart object, and then applied the same filters, I would be able to go back and make adjustments to each of them. And I could change the stacking order if I wanted to, or even change the individual blending mode of each of the filter sublayers. An added bonus is that I also have a mask available if I only want to have these filter effects show up on part of my image. Smart objects mean smart editing. Thanks for watching.